In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a database in Hostinger, a process that should take around 5 minutes of your time. Let's dive in and walk through each step to get your database up and running smoothly. First, you'll need to head over to Hostinger's website. Once you're there, it's time to log in. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to set one up to proceed. Logging in is straightforward, just enter your login credentials and you'll be directed to your Hostinger homepage. Once you've successfully logged in, the next step is to navigate to your Hostinger homepage by clicking on the Home option. From the homepage, look for the Hosting tab in the navigation bar. This section is where all of your hosting related options are housed. Go ahead and click on it to continue. Inside the hosting section, you will find a list of your current domains hosted with Hostinger. Look for the domain where you want to create a new database, and there you'll find a Manage button right next to it. Click Manage to proceed to delve into the specific settings and configurations for that particular domain. As you arrive at the domain management panel, locate the Databases option in the side menu. This section is crucial as it handles everything related to databases, including creating new ones. Click on Databases and it will take you to the database management area. In the database management area, one important section you'll see is entitled Remote MySQL. This feature allows you to manage databases remotely, which is beneficial if you're accessing your database from different servers or locations. Click on the Remote MySQL tab to access its settings. After entering the Remote MySQL settings, you should see an option labeled Create New Database. This is what we've been working towards, the step where you actually get to set up your new database. Click on Create New Database, boom, and you'll be prompted to fill in the details of your new database. When filling in your database's details, make sure to enter a unique name for your database, along with the necessary credentials like username and password. It's critical to keep these credentials safe as they will be required to access the database in the future. Once you've filled out all the necessary fields and double checked for accuracy, hit the Create button. Hostinger will then set up your new database and you'll be good to go to start utilizing it for your projects. And there you have it, a complete guide on how to create a database in Hostinger. Following these steps should help you set up a new database efficiently in just a matter of minutes. Thanks for watching, and feel free to leave any questions or comments you might have.